Okay, ladies, now let's get information. I say, okay, ladies, now let's get information. Okay, ladies, now let's get information. I say, okay, ladies, now let's bounce. Alright guys, I'm coming to you today with this look just like I did the last time, except for I think this time I did like 10 times better. So I'm getting better as the days go by. So yes, so I think this would be a really cute look for prom. I really think it's beautiful. I hope that you guys like it. And as I do this video, someone wrote me on Instagram and was like, you could do this different and stuff like that, because sometimes I find it hard because I have hooded lids. So if you guys see me doing something in the video and you can give me a better way of doing it, yeah, I appreciate that. But anyway, yes, this is the look. I feel like this is my greatest work. So stay tuned guys. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to get this look. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for coming and joining me. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment. You know I love you as always, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Alright guys, so my eye is already primed, and the first thing we are going to do is come into this Saharan Juvia's Place palette, and we are going to come in with this neutral like brown color. And we're going to just sweep that across the lid. And yeah, that's what we're going to do. I did like 3 different looks and I didn't like them, so I just kept taking them off. I have to get better with this makeup thing, and I am going to get better. I'm going to keep doing it, keep doing different looks. And the more I do it, the better I will get to watch. Keep watching. The next thing I'm going to do is take the brown color that's in the same palette, and I'm going to create like a V color. Then I'm going to sweep this into the corner here and just create like a V. And then I'm going to go into this color right here, and I'm going to just kind of pat that under the eyebrow, under the brow, and then I'm going to go back with the color that I used to sweep in the lighter brown and just blend it out. Then I'm going to grab the Morphe palette. I don't know what palette this is, but this is really pretty color right here. I'm going to dip into that, take more concealer, and I'm going to put it on my lid. Alright, so we're going to just drop this concealer here. Now let's go ahead and fill that color in on the lid. And you want to just pat it down. Pat it on there. And you don't have to bring it all the way over. So you want to just pat it, let it build up. It's pretty. It has like a lot of like purple and bluish undertones. It's very cute. And then we'll come back with that brown. And kind of come over and bring it down. Come back and drag like a V. You just want to drag it. And then I'm going to take a little black, whatever black is black, and I'm going to just kind of drag it up in there a little bit to kind of darken the crease a little more.
And then I want to just go one more time with that color that we used, the lighter brown, just one more time to kind of blend out the ends. The next thing we're going to do is add our black liner. I'm not going to do a wing liner here. Excuse, my eyes are running because the pollen here is just ridiculous. But anyway, we are going to now take some of our black liner. Alright, and so that is it for the eyes. You see, it's a very simple look. It's not anything complicated. I find actually that I have to get more comfortable playing with colors, because I did one look that was super cute and I've jacked up adding in another color and it just looks so terrible, and then I just took it off because I wasn't going to come in and show you guys that it just looked so stupid. So then I'm going to take some milk eye pencil, jumbo eye pencil, and I'm going to put it on my, first of all, wait a minute. Let me just wipe off any excess, whatever I might have down here. And then let it dry, because let's do it. Okay, so add the milk to the lower lash line. Liking this white down here. I don't normally do that, but anyway, we're gonna go back into that brown color we used from the Juvia's Place palette, and we're gonna just add it to the lower lash area. I'm just gonna go back into that same Juvia's Place, the Saharan palette, and we're gonna just dip in this, and we're gonna just kind of dab it in the corner. And that is it for the eyes. It's very simple look, very beginner friendly. Everything I do will be beginner friendly because I just have to build my skills up. I mean, actually it was better than I am now, but it seems like after I had my son, I just kind of lost it, you know, the norm. So I was just doing a little wipe to get the excess or whatever off. Alright, and then I will do my lashes and I will come back to you. Now this would be a cute look for prom if you're doing like not extremely dramatic makeup with like a slick back style, and I don't know, I just think that is like way super cute. So I'm gonna come back to you with my lashes on and my face done so that you can see the finished look. Look, I really love this. I think that it is something that you can wear to different types of social events like weddings or proms or some type of celebration, birthday, holiday parties. Like, this is just really cute, and I have to say myself, like, it's just cute. I really like it, and I really am proud of myself for doing it. Only thing I didn't show you, which I normally don't because I always do my lips when I do my lashes, is what's on my lips. And what I have on my lips is this color from BH Cosmetics. Looks like this color is called Corinne. I have to go back and see, but Corinne. And then I have the Even gel liner from Even in the color chocolate brown. send me more video ideas, like different looks you would like to see, because I'm going to be coming to you guys with more makeup videos, because I find that it's really fun to actually like put looks together, and then when you're done and they look like this and you just be so proud of yourself, it's like a real proud feeling, and I feel real proud. So stay tuned. You know what I want you to do. Subscribe, like, comment, keep showing me love, keep following me on Instagram. I'll put the name in the video somewhere, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.